The Mould King TEL-130 V8 engine model kit is a remarkable tool for those interested in mechanics and engineering, offering an engaging building experience with a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This model's design incorporates twin turbochargers that significantly enhance air intake efficiency and power output, making it a standout in its category. The kit includes an XL engine and a 9-volt battery box, which ensures a compact yet powerful performance, ideal for simulating real engine mechanics. With 2,718 pieces, the set provides a challenging yet rewarding assembly process, perfect for enhancing problem-solving and fine motor skills. The Mould King TEL-130 is compatible with other building block brands, offering endless opportunities for expansion and creativity. The precision in packaging and quality control ensures that every piece is accounted for, with a reliable customer service ready to assist if needed.